Zimbabwe's political landscape is once again ruled by whispers of constitutional betrayal, state capture, and an alleged bid by President Emerson Mnangagwa to extend his tenure beyond 2028. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda pangwaini elika chinzi. Chinamasa says Mnangagwa's illegal power extension bid faces imminent collapse. Out on the bail. Tipida mnamubra ingomchinzi. The just ended the 22nd ZANPF annual People's Conference in Mutare has been cited by critics as a theater for maneuvers designed to entrench a political dynasty under the guise of legality. Sources inside ZANPF allege that Resolution Number 1, which purportedly sought to extend Mnangagwa's stay in office, will ultimately never see the light of day, undermined by internal resistance, constitutional safeguards, and public scrutiny. Mnangagwa is ganged up with the political novices, and others through state capture, attempting to cloak his ambitions in legality, reviewed Comrade Patrick Chinamasa in a briefing with our reporters on the conference sidelines. They will not succeed. Zimbabweans will not allow a third-term dictatorship through the back door. Chinamasa's blunt assessment exposes a fissure within the ruling party, highlighting tensions between party veterans and the new generation of Mnangagwa loyalists. Mnangagwa's rise to power has always been framed by historical timelines, from the shadow of the liberation struggle to the dramatic events of 2017 that ended Robert Mugabe's 37-year rule. Mnangagwa has been no stranger to internal power plays. Critics argue that the current maneuvers echo the past, with younger advisors and business allies now acting as enablers in what they describe as a silent consolidation of power. Zimbabwe's history teaches us that power without accountability eventually breeds resistance. What we are witnessing is the same pattern: the attempted centralization of authority disguised as party consensus. The recent conference saw Resolution Number 1 emerge as the focal point of debate, while the public presentation suggested routine party policy alignment. Insiders described intense lobbying behind the scenes to secure the resolution's endorsement for Mnangagwa's extended tenure. Leaked documents and interviews suggest that Mnangagwa's inner circle of advisors, including Ziyambi Onwe and Ngwara, among others, have allegedly wielded influence across government institutions and financial levers, raising alarm among senior party veterans. They are not just advisors, they are enablers of state capture. Through control over appointment, contracts, and resources, they have created a shadow state inside the state, explained one senior ZANPF director based at the party headquarters, requesting anonymity. Observers note that state capture, a term increasingly cited by anti-corruption activists, threatens both the integrity of government and public confidence. The alleged network has been described as a cartel of political and business interests, cloaked in patriotism, seeking to protect personal gains while projecting loyalty to Mnangagwa's political vision. Thomas Karubuda Pangwa ine arikunoponza avanachinamasa kubuda pachena pachiti Mnangagwa was illegal for extension. Pangwa ino ichafola, icha collapse, and subscribe or like out on the bell icon.